Hi everyone. Welcome to the introduction on the open course English for Competitive Examinations offered by the Research and Postgraduate Department of English at St. Joseph's Autonomous College, Irinjalakuda. The open course is organized in collaboration with the assistance of the faculty members, both in the aided as well as in the self-financing wings of the departments of English in our college. We are all living in a very competitive world for various social opportunities. Whatever be the career we choose, we need the basic knowledge of the fundamental skills involved in global English language. In order to get familiarized with the rudiments, the most basic or essential facts of English language, we, the teachers in the Department of English, introduce to you the open course English for Competitive Examinations. Myself, Dr. Saja Jose, Assistant Professor, Department of English. I am also the Training and Placement Officer in St. Joseph's Autonomous College, Irinjalakuda. I have personally come across with many students in the campus who struggle to get passed in various campus placements and recruitments. In order to tackle the problems in various competitive examinations, where English language is tested for ascertaining our language proficiency, the open course English for Competitive Examinations will be of much help in taking you to places of success in campus recruitments and future career prospects. The aim of the course is to prepare the students for competitive examinations such as UPSC, Defence Staff Selection Commission, Banking, Kerala Public Service Commission, Insurance and other government related examinations. Objectives of the course could be to help the students to approach and qualify competitive examinations by introducing the usually discussed areas in the exams. It helps to enable the learners to acquire necessary professional skills in the use of English. The open course equips the students to provide opportunities to improve their listening and reading comprehension skills. The course consists of 3 fundamental modules. They are discussions on word-based questions, sentence-based questions, and passage-based questions. Throughout the course, the students will be quite interestingly taken to exercises and discussions on these 3-step processes. Cordial welcome to the Department of English for familiarizing ourselves with the rudiments of global English language. Hope to meet you soon. God bless you. Thank you.